Welcome to Bird of the Week.
The bird of the week this week is the Steller's jay. Steller's jays are large songbirds. They have charcoal black heads, blue bodies. They are super loud, and they have a mohawk. Like other members of the crow family and like third graders, Steller's jays are smart, curious, and noisy. They live throughout the evergreen forests of western North America. Steller's jays like to visit backyard bird feeders, especially for peanuts. Jays are not picky eaters. They'll eat seeds and nuts, fruits and berries, lots of insects, even bees, and they're known to raid other birds' nests to eat the eggs and babies. Steller's jays make a bunch of different sounds, and they also like to imitate red-tailed hawks and bald eagles. Tune in next week for another
Bird of the Week.